Here's how to add green screen on Capcut PC. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First you will need to open your Capcut app, then you have to export your media. After exporting your media, now to add green screen on your video, you have to click on the green screen plus icon. Here I'm adjusting the green screen. But before that, I'm gonna copy this green screen by right clicking on it. After that, I'm gonna paste it at the top of my video. How to paste it? I'm gonna right click on the top of the video. Then I right click here and click on the paste button to paste it. Here I'm gonna drag it to the length of my video so it create an overlay. Now from the menu of the right side, I'm gonna click on the CapCut option. Then here I'm gonna check this chroma lay option. Now I'm gonna click on the color picker option at the bottom of this. Now I'm gonna move my cursor to the green screen. After that, here you have to select the strength of your green screen. You can increase it or decrease it as you want. Just to show you, here I am increasing it at the 100%. You can also keep it as low as you want. Here you can also increase the shadows. Now as you can see, my video is looking more appealing. So this is how you can add green screen on Capcut PC.